Hey guys, this is getting added to the project pile since it doesn't have the control, the canopy, or the mounting bracket. Just thought I would share it in case anybody wanted it. Okay, that's it. Hey guys, so no interesting donations today other than that Panama. That stuff's still here. That stuff's still here. The Brones are still here. One of these Copper Hampton Bay Huntingtons came in. Another design house at Littleton. My childhood cool breeze from Pranguay that my parents had in their dining room. Another Hunter low profile. I gotta put a sign on that, I forgot. Design house. Another low profile. Menard's turn of the century. Another low profile. Hampton Bay outdoor fan. Another low profile. CEC labeled crest. Another cool breeze. And then over here, I can't believe this hasn't sold. These are normally big sellers. That Hunter went out today. Mink is still here. These two heater fans went out today. And I think everything on the other side. Still here. Okay, thanks for watching.